In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Stan Store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear idea of how to set up a simple, high-converting landing page for your digital product, all inside your existing Stan Store account. First, log into your Stan Store dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled My Store and click on it. This is where you normally see your store's header and any products you've already created. At the top of this area, you'll notice several tabs. Go ahead and click on the tab that says Landing Pages. This is where all of your standalone pages will live. Inside the Landing Pages section, click the Create button. You'll now see different types of products or offers you can build a landing page for. Choose the option that best matches what you're selling. For example, if you're selling a digital product like an ebook or a template, select that type. Don't worry, you can still customize a lot of details later. Next, it's time to choose an image for your landing page. Click on Choose Image to select from Stan Store's available images, or click Upload Image if you have a specific graphic, mock-up, or cover saved on your computer. A file browser will open, so navigate to your image, select it, and click Open. A small editor will appear that allows you to crop, zoom, or reposition the image so it looks good on the page. When you're happy with it, click Use this photo to save your changes. Now add a clear, compelling title for your landing page. This is usually the main promise or name of your product. Just below that, there's a field for your description. Rich text is supported here, so you can use spacing, line breaks, or basic formatting to make your copy easier to read. After the description, scroll down to edit the text at the bottom of the page and customize your call to action button. Use strong, action-oriented words so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. Next, set your price in the provided field. If you want to highlight a discount, toggle on the discount price option and enter the reduced price you'd like to display. This is useful for promotions, launches, or limited time offers. Below the pricing area, you'll see the information you're collecting from your customers. By default, name and email are already included, and these can't be removed because they're essential for delivering your product and following up. If you want to gather more details, click Add Field. You can choose from options like phone number, a short text field, multiple choice, a drop-down menu, or checkboxes. Only add fields you actually need, because too many questions can reduce conversions. Finally, you'll connect the actual product your customers will receive after purchase or sign up. You have two options here. The first option is to redirect to a URL. This is helpful if your product is hosted elsewhere, like a private page, course platform, or a special link. Enter the full URL where you want customers to be sent, and make sure to add a clear product title so they understand what they're getting. The second option is to upload a file directly. Click Upload, then choose the file from your computer, such as a PDF, video, or zip folder. Select it and click Open or press Enter. Wait for the upload to complete. This might take a bit longer depending on the file size and your internet connection. You'll see a confirmation once it's fully uploaded. When everything looks good, your image, title, description, pricing, form fields, and product delivery method, scroll down and click Publish. Your new landing page will go live and be ready to share with your audience. You can always come back later to edit the page if you want to tweak the copy, update the price, or change the file. And that's how you create a complete landing page in Stan Store, from login to publish.